how to set a spending limit on Instagram ads. If you want to change your spending limit on Instagram ads, first you will have to open Instagram and go to your profile right here from your homepage to your profile. And once you are on your profile, tap on three dots at the top right to open settings. And under settings, you can go to the search bar and search for ad payments. Once you search for ad payments, I don't run any ads on Instagram, so the option is not available. So if you're running ads on Instagram, you should see an option for ad payments. And once you tap on it, something like this should appear. And you should tap on the payment methods, and from here you can see at the bottom there is this account spending limit is not set right now. Just tap on it and it will open something like this. So in this layout you can tap on the enter new spending limit. You can just tap on it and set a new limit on your Instagram ads. And that's how you can change your spending limit for Instagram ads. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.